Good morning, everyone. You're welcome to today's trade idea and signal. So, from last week, we've been studying Euro USD and NAS 100. So, today, this is a new week, beginning of a new week, Monday to be precise. So, we have before us Euro USD. And from our previous analysis and trades, as I have said about the markets, and from our analysis, last week, this strong guy that we have at this deeper that kind of reversal pattern here, so that at least it will kind of send price into mitigated in the past that we really don't have much imbalance. So market has been giving us a completely fair value from the previous days. And look about how we're going to kind of have some reaction from some levels here, even if we do find the reversal pattern. And I said, these are weak low, will still be rated. According to my strategy, we're still going to have this low rated. So it's a weak low. It's going to be weak. This is the what anticipating kind of reversal into or this Friday. You can see that this highlighted area here, we have a kind of reaction that sent price. It invalidates our buys. Let's move to lower time frame so that you can see what I'm talking about. On 4 hour, you can see how much I did highlight these levels. Might have some reactions to this high here, and as we may have it, market react from this high, kind of give us a massive impulsive move downward, and it invalidates all the level down. To analyze what happened here, we see that kind of give us some shifts on lower time frame, because when I was analyzing Friday, I saw some things, but I was holding on to my buy, even though I indicated last week that we're going to have a kind of reaction, but I wasn't even expecting the reaction from this level here. I was kind of waiting that we're going to have this level before it will show this type of reaction that we have. So that we had rather. So on 1 hour looking at it, we have all these levels. Then when I started suspecting the whole stuff was when we have this massive rejection. But when we had this pull, I was confident that TP before we even kind of see any reversal. But as we have it, even the reversal wasn't that pure because we have this shift, and this leg did not even put this massive pull. So that's what we experienced on Friday. And it was due to the news, the multiple high impact news that came out on Friday. So that's what we experienced. Only this trade we're able to capitalize on and stick to proper risk management. This single trade, we account for the loss of this one and the loss of this one. So then we move on. On NAS, that would be our profit because we want double trades on NAS. So let's erase all this, because what I really want to do is to kind of like on Friday before we analyze what we can capitalize on today. Drawing and go back to daily to see what is happening there and try to get some things. Okay, I'd like us to do something since we are having reaction from this leg here of reaction. Then we can just use this to this level and use it on 4 hour to be our strong eye from daily. On 4 hour, it will become more clear. Oh, that's a mistake. Strong eye. Then these are weak low. And this one is giving us a kind of reaction. So for today, we'll be picking this as our range. This will serve as our range for today. This will serve as our range for today. I'm trying to position my laptop in a way. Okay, so this will serve as our range today. This will be our slow. So let's assume we do this on Friday. I'll be able to capitalize on it. But I didn't pick this range on Friday. So, okay. We let the market lead and we follow. So since it kind of give us this level as our strong guy, I'll be expecting it to be protected until this level. Maybe until this level is rated, then you can expect a reversal into this level a reversal that will take out this high. But for today, what we can capitalize on, we see that this Friday, so these are the other block, daily order block, and it has been properly mitigated. So that's our range on daily. This has been properly mitigated. Let's see what we can capital for our see the range. Yeah. Okay. So what are we expecting here? Okay. If this other block here, this daily order block, kind of want to read this week low, what are we expecting? Since we have reacted that this leg will be pulled, the market will pull into this leg now. So since we have a kind of response, so 4-hour imbalance as fair value gap, and we have this other block here, 4-hour other block above the fair value gap. So anyone lower. Since we are coming from this other block, this daily order block, the market has shifted to this to the right side now, and we've experienced a kind of reconstruction here. We have turtle soup. You can do all those analysis on smaller time frame, but as we see it here, it's very clear. We have this turtle soup here, and we have this reaction. This one that we are even tagging can be our breaker block, internal breaker block, So since it's kind of something that's supposed to send price up, but didn't. So this is all our range that we can work with today. This is the range we can work with today on Euro. So let's move on to lower time frame to see 1 hour. Let's see what we can capitalize on. Okay. Then this level can be a reclaim order block. Yeah, this level, a reclaim order block. All these zones, the name given to them are interchangeable. We can just serve as mitigation block and also reclaim order block. Because we're actually expecting this level to send price higher, which it did, but it didn't close much above it. So we'll be expecting a reaction from this our 4-hour fair value gap. So, or we can pick this. It depends on how deep markets want to react today. But we can have a snippet on weekly to see what might happen. Okay, so you can see we have internal structure, and that level too can sustain price. We have 3 zones now that we can act on. So let's go back to 4-hour to see that highlighted weekly zone, perfectly aligned with our fair value gap. If I'm going to take any trade now, I'm going to take trade from this level, even from 4-hour. Take is 15 pips. So I guess here is okay. Just 15 pips. So then 1 to 2 just give us 30 pips. So a very simple trade. If we are going to take this trade, normally this week we are expecting it to get traded. So I believe it should read it as an aggressive entry style, which I prefer. You don't have to be worrying myself about lower time frame manipulations here and there. And another zone I can pick is this zone here, this O zone. because this fair value gap, this imbalance can just be traded. Since there is no resistance, there is nothing to resist the price. So I believe we can just have another entry above here. So, and to send price lower. So 1 to 2 trade is okay, at least. So we can place this trade now. And place this trade. 15 pips trade. So I just pick it from, yes, a 1 to 2 trade. So that's the perfect 14 to then. And use that one to kind of have our money back. Boom. And price lower to kind of see where the market is reacting from. See that it's kind of like so I do 1 to 2 into this level. So we wait to see what market will give us starting from tomorrow. To today as the beginning of the week, we expect market to kind of give us a kind of manipulation into. So there's no point in God. You want to kind of and for that business is monitoring zone and let it run. Let's move as 100. So that's that much. What I'm taking my analysis from today is just I pick this range, validate this. So you can see we have this imbalance here that's supposed to send price up. It's this order, and if this 4-hour imbalance or whatever give us our order block, this level, which is shall be all for today. For me, let's go on this first analyze what we this okay, and which the news that came out. We have to give us Thursday choice up didn't hit at all. The order just to come this low again, even if it's going to come this low. So from on Friday, there was this 2 perfect. I sent the signal to return. Maybe possible which like this. See all this on Friday to mitigate it. Mostly out without disturbing my service on. If you watch Friday analysis, and it was perfect for us to after again, so which I quickly threw entry, double entry on that day, and I sent the signal to my Telegram as well. We have the sun, and we have this turtle soup, and we have this leg, this place. I talked about it as potential. I said it's potential. My potential strong low. I price rated this level of the level that we have from here. So I picked this level to be my potential major flip also. But now it's no longer potential because it has already fulfilled what I was expecting from it. So we've gotten a flip, and after flip, what are we expecting? We're expecting a breaker block. So here becomes our weak high, which we are expecting market to read. And the market is already there, almost there to read it. We're still going to go on lower time frame to see what we can capitalize on. But me looking at this level here, we have kind of proper mitigation into all these levels that we have here. Even on Friday, the markets make sure that it mitigates all these levels. But from 4 hour, can we see the only thing I can say that stand out to me, because already mitigated. We have this other block here, but we have this internal structure above the other block. So we have that for our internal structure. So align with this. So if we're going to call it mitigation block, because that's the edge. So that'll be there. So if we have any news in the market, but with the action we are having here, okay. So you can see this can be our potential liquidity that must be taken. So kind of give us, we have this imbalance here. So this level can serve as, can give us our trade today. So the liquidity to this level here. So, I'm not expecting much from all these levels again. That's been mitigated. So this on place, I'm expecting a kind of reaction. Maybe I'm going to pick one here, this level here. So to have it at top, to avoid anything, I can just pick it from here. That's my own trade. Anything can happen in the market. We will kind of like look closer to see what we can capitalize on here. But that will just, this will be my set and forget trade. I'm getting too much from markets. 586. Let's reduce it to 5 now. Reduce my entry. And that's 55 times 2. That'll give us 1,000, 160, 170, 1,000, 170. Yeah, 1 to 2. So that will be my set and forget trade. You can see there's kind of level. So if at all is a contingency something, because we have to look closely since we have this rejection, this liquidity void, and market kind of like rejects all these places. So what I can expect from markets now is to pick this zone here, because this zone can serve as our order block. But in the case where this one did not hold because of all these levels that we have here, then I can expect this to be my OB. So and then can have 1 to 2. Let's lose close on. So if this level should sustain price, we have this balance here. So can expect it to hold price and send it up. I'm going to pick the orange. Just use your normal. Our expectation from market is just 1 to 2. So to give us a kind of more confidence. Just place trade, do your normal risk management, and you are good to go. 985 and times 2 minus 30, 2,000. That's 2,000, 1,970. I'll give us our 1 to 2. And like I said, these are weak high, which I'm expecting it to read anyway. So we can confidently pick this zone without fear. Just to be on the safer side, we are good to go. But this is our contingency plan. In case this level get rejected, then I'm expecting this level to give us at least 1 to 2. So in case we have a shift from this level, we can have a shift. But the reaction we are having from this market now, it's not that pure. So, but these are weak high. I'm expecting this high to be readed. Kind of give us a reaction from either this level or this level. So from this level, it can give us, can still come and read this high. Or from what the market is doing here, anything can happen. I'm only trying to analyze and see what we can capitalize on. You perform your due diligence and you play your statistical edge game very well. You have nothing to worry about. Even the whole 4 signal I'm giving today can go astray. But that's only 4% of your accounts. We are using a very good statistical edge combined with proper risk management. Then you have nothing to worry about. We only need to win 40 out of 100 trades for us to end up with 20% gain. So from the 20% gain, we move. See, if we are consistent with it, then we move higher. This will be all today. So today is Monday. We have to be very, very careful. That's the reason why we can't pick smaller range. Anything can happen. I'm expecting manipulations and everything today. So, and we're already at the end of the month. Anything can happen in the market. We have to be very, very careful. So picking a very good range where markets can react from and a proper risk reward ratio, just a normal 1 to 2 is okay. So at least capitalize on that. So that will be all for today. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Have a wonderful trade and have a wonderful week and a prosperous, profitable week. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.